Bajaj Finance, Chola Finance. Vanakkam, very good morning, friends. Just give me a couple of minutes, post our link in our social medias, and then come back in Telegram and Facebook. Good morning, Harshal. Yeah, gap up opening as expected. Yesterday I posted right when market ends at highs of the day, there are very bright chances that we will have a follow up on the next day. It's very simple as that. And remember, copper has hit our second target of 777. It was a positional play from 764.50 yesterday. In fact, I have given it for you people at 765.25, almost 10 plus points, which is 25,000 rupees. see how it goes. P. I'm just adding. Yes, pre-open has settled almost 0.75 points percent at green. This is the beauty of the stock, McDowell's. Time and again, I have given you and proven that it will rock during weekends. Remember, look at the move. Yesterday, we were seeing it, I was highlighting it when it was minus 2% in red. It ended plus 2% in red. Reliance, how to work today? Watch list. See, watch list are the things which I keep on adding as and when I see opportunities. Okay, I have a permanent watch list in my other screen. In that screen, when that screen is not shared over here, whenever I see momentum gathering in a particular stock, I add this particular stock in this watch list, whatever you are seeing in Zerodha, and then do an analysis over there and then give a call for you people. Okay, that's how I do. Reliance, regarding Reliance, Mr. Harshal, I expect an up move today in Reliance. 16,310 is the Singapore Nifty high, SGX Nifty high. So it must, have some resistance over there. If that level is taken out, then we may see a further upside, or else we will have some consolidation kind of stuff, or even if we may turn red as the day progresses. So today is not a kind of day where we need to chase things. Reliance futures 2594, it has settled. So probably he could open 1% or 1.5% higher, one at least 1% higher. Okay, let's see what is the chart showing. This is Reliance for you. Okay, 0.25% in green. Even yesterday, when everything else moved on the higher direction, Reliance was lagging. It was not moving very big, it was lagging. So probably banks could consolidate for the day, and this fellow can take it up. It's This is the chart of Reliance. It is trading above the 20 moving average. It has closed above the 20 moving average on 25 2022. From thereafter, 5 consecutive closes, it is still above 20 moving average. That shows the strength which is available in this stock. Even though the super trend shows a sell signal, I believe at one point in time today, this super trend will show you a buy signal and you will find a up move in Reliance. If you want to have a conclusive buy, then buy above 2656. Or else wait for an opportunity for small drop in markets, and then we can take a call. All our calls are set to open higher. Let's see where Chola Finance 648. So our 680 call will drop at opening itself. Nifty futures, which was given yesterday around 15,910, has almost reached our target. Yes, it has reached our target. 16,300 is our target, and it was a clear positional play. Fantastic move. Just give me a minute, I will send some update to my members and then come back. Yeah, look at the moves. Infi, we took at 29, now at 41. Everything fires on the higher side. Just give me a minute. I need to give some update on Bajaj Finance call for my members. Uh, just give me a minute. Just give me a couple of minutes, guys. My trading app got stuck. Just a minute. Just open it again. Good morning, Amit. Mm, just couple of things. Tata Steel goes into red. Mm, ah, Z. Just give me a minute, guys. I am getting a call. We'll come back. In the interim, if you have any queries, just keep posting. I'll come back and answer. Sorry guys, got a call. That's why I went. Really sorry. Good morning, Robert. Good morning, Satish. Uh, Market is moving the way which we expected, especially the calls which we have. ST move on Bajaj Finance 6,100 call. I don't know how many people remember over here. Yesterday, one of our member asked, "Sir, can I go with Bajaj Finance 6,500 call?" I simply said him, drawn a chart and said him that this is how Bajaj Finance chart looked like. Yeah, this was the chart which I have said him. Okay, I have drawn this kind of one falling trend line and one rising trend line kind of stuff, and I said it is consolidating for a while. Whatever, whichever side it breakouts, it will fire on the other side. Okay, it came down exactly, tested the lower end of the range, and today straight away opened above the higher end of the range and fires. This is how market moves are. One sec, I will give complete my thing. Bajaj Finance 6100 call done with target. Nasty move on Bajaj Finance guys. No wonder you will see another 4 to 5% move from here. Maybe 6,300 to 6,400. If Nifty crosses 16,400. If Nifty crosses 16,400, Bajaj Finance will cross 6,400. Just mark my words, and see whether it happens or not. ST1, look at the fire in DLF. Came back above our buying cost. It went below our stop loss, but still I haven't suggested exit just because we need to wait until the expiry date of the previous series when we are trading in the next series. That was the very simple logic which I follow, and it worked. The thing is only Tisco, that is Tata Steel, is in marginal. I wouldn't say it is losses. It is exactly around our cost. Our buy is around 23 to 25. It is at 26 right now. Um, Yes. Did anybody of you pick the Infosys call which was given yesterday? It was given around 29 to 31. Infosys 1460 call. I said that it is in bear market. The stock is in bear market, but we will have a dead cat bounce towards 1480 levels. We can use that opportunity and exit out. That played out nicely today. Nasty move on Bajaj Finance guys. You will not believe when I have given the call, I have just mentioned my members saying that it is a high conviction call from my end. Superb move. Let me see what it is doing actually. Bajaj Finance 6000 is a bit hurdle. 6006. Once it crosses that level and sustains, he will fire. I squared off my Bajaj Finance call at 210. 6100 call. Spectacular profits. Mm, Nifty futures 16500 call was also given earlier. Just give me a minute. I will post an update. Yeah. Taking a bit of small risk in crude, if you people are willing, just go for it. Bajaj Finance finally crossed 6,000 mark. Charts show that he is willing to go up. Friends, do we have any questions or queries related to market? Today's market especially. Good morning, Manoj. Do we have chance to reach 17,000 in June? You are part of my premium group and asking a funny question over here. My target is 16,900 to 17,000 for June. I have posted it yesterday and day before yesterday. The only hurdle which we have is 16,400 right now. Once it is crossed and closed, you will see a freaky kind of move which nobody will be able to believe. Yesterday by this time everyone were speaking about 15,800, 15,700, right? How many people remember it? Yesterday by this time when market fell down, when it broke 16,000, by this time we were speaking about market will go and reach 15,800, 15,700, that kind of stuff. Today we are speaking on the opposite direction. No problem, Manoj. No problem. See, at least people over here may understand when it was said. 2 days or 3 days back, also, I have posted it in our YouTube itself. I've said that 17,000 is my target for Nifty for June series. OI analysis classes, that is a very big chapter, Manoj. It is not a small chapter. If you ask me to speak about open interest and take classes, I can even complete in 15 minutes or I can even drag it for 1 day. 1 day in the sense from morning 9 a.m. till 9 a.m. in the night, which is 12 hours. 12 hours also I can speak about OI. But the thing is, understanding differs from person to person. Perception differs from persons to person. So I would say something, and with the same kind of reading, other person will say something. And OI analysis on all days, it will find hard to work. But on expiry days, except OI, nothing will work. You might have seen it in yesterday's calls continuously. Back to back, we have bought 16,100 call, 16,100 call, 16,100 call again and again. And in the interim, we have bought 34,500 call, I guess. Sorry, 35,000 call. It gave us 5x returns. From 25, he went to 131. Okay. If we are, I mean, comfortable and reading the data of option chain, we can do wonders. Okay, I will post an update for Infi call today. Yesterday, what we have given, I'll just post an update. Forty-seven. 47 is the high of Infi 1460C. I think Bajaj Finance, if it crosses 6060, the next hurdle will be 6,400. If that is also taken out, the bus stop will be at 7,000. Maybe it may not happen in 1 month. It can take 2 or 3 months. All financials are supposed to rock. Delta Car 222. Bajaj Finance. Oh my God, 6050. Wow, 246. 255 is the high of Bajaj Finance, 6100 call. This is what I say. Some moves will be literally unbelievable for us. Who would have expected Bajaj Finance to move like this? Yesterday, in fact, he almost closed in flat territory actually. In a stunning up move from Nifty and Bank Nifty and Financial Nifty on the last day of expiry, Bajaj Finance hasn't moved at all. He haven't moved at all. In fact, I was seeing 2.5% in red at one stage. He took support around 2654 is the place, I guess. Let me pick how IRCTC is showing. Good move. Actually speaking, IRCTC comes out with results on Monday, I guess. Let me see whether we can pick a call over there. IRCTC. IRCTC 690, 680, 680 call. What is the lot size? Actually, it's 875. Well, I'll give a call to my members and then come back. IRCTC 680 call. That is the one which I have given to my members right now. Maybe it has moved higher, but I suggested the members to buy only when it comes around 15 to 16. If it comes, you can take a call, or else leave it. Today low is 15. Actually speaking, yesterday we should have bought it. Unfortunately, I missed to notice that results are on Monday. Today morning only I have noticed it. Let oh my god, I haven't opened my OI data till now. Somehow I forgot it. Nilesh, any long-term view on Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC? We'll just check the charts, bro. Extremely bearish. and completely oversold as per stochastic and RSI. Let me change this to weekly charts. From the day it got uh, I mean launched, it is trending on the downside. But how far it go? I don't think he will go below 350. What is the initial IPO price? It is somewhere around 700, I guess. So now 50% of that is 350. So I don't think it will go below 350. You can start accumulating from now. Mm, say for example, if you want to buy 10 quantities, you buy 5 quantities now, and if there is a dip towards 375, you buy another 5 quantities and then keep holding it with the stop loss if you require the stop loss should be 330 on closing basis, daily closing basis. If it closes below 330 on a given day, then you are supposed to exit. I would say that you need not maintain a stop loss for this because you have asked me for a long term view. In long run, I bet this stock will reclaim again 700 and it will move towards 4 digits. Maybe it may take another 3 to 4 years time, but this price is a very good price to buy. Remember, it's not a small company, it is a quality company, so we can take risk over here. Timely exit on Nifty 16500 monthly call. Guys, any questions? Any long term goal? Yeah, I have answered it. I thought the question was raised now. I think he could fall a bit. Let me see. 50. He is slowly drifting down. I guess this will be up. Uh, I think Nifty could fall a bit. I've given Nifty 16100 put to take around 110. You get, you can also take. Mm, sir, can we have such informative live session in evening for MCX as well? See, evening session for MCX live session will not be possible because I need to concentrate on my work. My work in the sense I am a full-time trader only. I will concentrate on my trades in the evening session only. So that is highly impossible. But I can do one thing. If people are willing to participate in live session in the evening, maybe between 8 to 8:30 or 8 to 9, I can conduct a live session. Maybe whatever the queries, like be it MCX or about the market or next day's market, about forecast or something like that, that we can discuss over there. Because I'll go to uh, home by 6:30 in the evening, and then I will concentrate on only on my personal trades, not on anything else. I'll give calls to my members, and then I will do my trades. That's it. So in between that period, I don't want any other engagements to be, so that I can concentrate fully on my work. But I can arrange a 1 hour session, 30 minutes or 1 hour session between 8 to 9 if people are willing to participate. Friends, if you people have any questions right now, you may ask. I'm ready to answer you people. Mm, this is also a good one. Why can't we try this? Let me search something better. 35 400 option. There it is. Okay. 35 400 around 35. So I have given one Bank Nifty put option in our channel. Even here I will post it. Yeah. If people are willing, you can. Friends, if you have any queries or questions about your positions or any investments or something like that, you can ask. We'll respond to each and every of your query. $75 just delivered only 10 points. What are the commodities saying? They have climbed up too high. NG moves a bit outside. I'll post an update for the members. Crude. Oops. This is bizarre, isn't it? 431 is the low in Bank Nifty 35 400 put after we gave 431.20. But this fellow has given opportunity, one not even he turned from 112. Now it's time for wait and watch scenario. Let it come down, then we can grab our positions again. kind of moves this on put side, slowly moving. Very bad that he didn't give us opportunity. Too bad. We were expecting to buy around 420 to 430. In fact, I have placed an order at 425, but he turned from 431. Anyways, not willing to challenge markets. India VIX has climbed. See what has happened. I normally explain you through charts, right? In what will happen if one bar forms in between these two moving averages which I have. Generally speaking, he will move on the higher side, and after a couple of minutes, this green one will cross the red one and it will move on the higher side. What if that happens for India VIX today? Obviously, markets will crash. Correct? So that is what we are witnessing right now. Slowly, he is doing his best. Very bad. What is the situation of Bajaj Finance now? He is still hovering above 6,000. That's pretty good. Luckily, we have exited our 16,500 monthly call option above 300. Now he came 25 points down. Endurance equals crude exactly performs. Thank God that I have suggested members to exit from short. I was feeling like he could turn the table, So just now updated my members to exit shorts. Yeah, aluminum could be a good shorting candidate for today. Probably we can get it confirmed by 10:55 or 11, not before that. Right. Who picked up suddenly? Is it HDFC Bank? All of a sudden, stunning moves on the upside on financials. Have taken out the day's high as well. Tata Steel is the lonely culprit. Out of my entire watch list, only Reliance and Tata Steel are down. Exactly touched. I think once only the bank stocks are moving higher, the others are not moving much. That is the reason Nifty is not moving, whereas Bank Nifty alone is moving. Hindustan Unilever, couple of days back, we have discussed about this stock, saying that it has had a non-stop run from 2060 to 24 2340. That time we have suggested when it drops to 2270, you can take position. That was the call which was given on that particular day, saying that it is for June contract, not for the current month contract. Look how it has played. Yesterday low is 2245 and today low is 2268, which means it has given opportunity 2 days continuously. If somebody would have missed on the first day, they could have entered on the second day at least. Yeah, Nifty and Bank Nifty has both given opportunities on put side. Let's see. This Bank Nifty outperformance cannot continue for a long run. See, already 4 days in a row, 4 to 5 days in a row, Bank Nifty completely outperforms Nifty. every day there is at least a 0.5%, zero point 0.5 in the sense I am saying about half a percent, half a percent move, which is ahead of Nifty's move. Every day it happens. Okay, so this can't last for a long time. Probably Bank Nifty has to cool off a bit. In the interim, Nifty will see a takeoff with the help of ITC, Reliance, as well as some IT companies. That is what I feel. Let us see. I have given a call in 35,500 call option to take around 370, 380. The low made was 388. Market is playing with me today. Everything misses opportunity in the misses my level in the first few minutes. I mean the first attempt. From 388 he rallied to 488. See here 491. Yeah. Dr. Reddy's. Look at the way Divi's Labs has cracked post its results. It was trading at par with Dr. Reddy's. Divi's was trading at 4,300, 4,400 odd levels, whereas Dr. Reddy's was trading at a marginal discount from Divi's. Almost 22 to 23% crack in a week after results. 3,483. Yesterday, I think it was quoting around 3,350 odd levels. I remember it. Just 3-4 members are live now. Bank Nifty has given us opportunity and is trading below both our moving averages. Let's see if we comes it between our moving averages once. If that happens, it will be a sure up mover in later part of the day. Oops, crude oil is playing. Copper is also getting resisted. What is this message which I got from my friend? Please do it. Not this index. Okay, we are into the last 5-10 minutes of 5 minutes of our session, and the participation is only 3 members. So we'll do one thing. Since I feel there is no questions for today, we'll wind up the session. We will catch up tomorrow in our forecast video for the upcoming week. Have a good day, friends. See you all. Bye for now.